Okay, so uh, myself Manoranjan Kumar, an assistant professor in agriculture department of Suresh Gyan Bihar University. So today in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the tractor operational cost estimation. So in this topic, we will see about how the cost of tractor is calculated, okay? Whether it is the fixed cost or variable cost. Okay. So by the end of this lecture, the students will able to know about what is the fixed cost, what is the variable cost, and what is the total cost of the tractor, and how it is calculated. Okay, and also not only tractor, but also we will estimate the cost of implement also. Okay, so this is the learning outcome. Now these are the some books which you can refer for this topic. Now tractor operational cost estimation. So under cost analysis, the cost incurred per hour of operation of a tool or implement or machine is calculated. Okay, per hour cost to be calculated here. So why we are calculating this type of cost? Because this will give an idea of the payback period of the investment. Whatever we are doing investment, that will give the payback period. So this cost serve as the basis to fix up higher charges of the implement for custom hiring also. Okay. So total cost of operation of an implement or any tool involves two costs. First will be the fixed cost and second is the variable cost or operating cost. Okay. So estimation of tractor operational cost. Total cost of operation of machine involves two costs. First one is fixed cost and second one is variable cost. Okay. So under the fixed cost, there are three parameters which we will see here: the depreciation, interest on investment, and taxes, insurance, and housing. Okay, so all these three parameters are the fixed cost. Whereas in the operating cost or variable cost, we will calculate the fuel cost, lubrication oil cost, operator cost like wages, and repair and maintenance cost. And if we add these two costs, fixed cost and operating cost, then it will give the total cost of operation of the machine. So first is fixed cost. So this cost relates to machine ownership. This cost can occur regardless of whether the machine is used or not. Okay. So this will always occur. Whether your machine is running or your machine is stopped, this cost will occur. Okay. So under the fixed cost, first parameter is the depreciation. So depreciation means this is the reduction in value of the tractor with the passage of time. Okay. So you can calculate this depreciation cost by using this formula: C minus S divided by L into H, where D is the depreciation cost, rupees per hour, and and C is initial cost of the machine or capital investment. S is the salvage value of the machine, and generally S is taken as 10% of the capital investment in rupees. L is life of the machine in years, and H is number of working hour per year. Okay. So with the help of this equation, you can calculate the reduction in value of the tractor with passage of the time, whether your machine is running or not. Okay. Now, second uh, parameter on the fixed cost is interest on investment. So this is a legitimate cost since money spent in buying a machine cannot be used for other productive enterprises. So this interest on investment you can calculate by using this formula C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H into 100. So here C is capital value, S is salvage value, that is 10% of this capital value, and I is rate of interest per year, okay, in percentage, and H is number of working hour per year. Okay. And here I is the interest on investment in rupees per hour. So with the help of this equation, you can calculate the other fixed parameter, that is the interest on investment. Okay. So this interest on investment always occur whether your machine is running or not. Similarly, the third fixed cost is taxes, insurance, and housing. So the charges for taxes, insurance, and housing can be taken as 3% per year of initial cost of the machine. Okay. So you can calculate taxes, insurance, and housing by 3 into C divided by 100 into H, where C is the capital value and H is the number of working hour per year. Okay. So in this way, we can calculate all three fixed costs: depreciation, and after that interest on investment, and C the taxes, insurance, and housing. And when you add all these three, means depreciation plus investment, interest on investment plus taxes, insurance, and housing, it will give the total fixed cost per hour. Okay. Now the second parameter is the operating cost. This operating cost is a variable cost, so it will changing depending upon the market situation. If diesel or petrol, the price of diesel or petrol will increase or decrease, or wages of labor will increase or decrease. So it will always variable. Okay. So this operating cost or variable cost, this is directly related to the amount of use, how much you are using, how much petrol you are using, how much diesel you are using, how much electricity you are using. So depending upon that, you this operating cost or variable cost will calculated. Okay, so these costs are incurred only when the machine is used. Okay, so when machine will be in running condition, when it is using, then in that condition this cost will occur. Okay. Otherwise, video of now the under the operating cost or variable cost. The first parameter is fuel cost. So this is calculated on the basis of actual fuel consumption in the machine. So you can calculate the fuel cost by using this equation: quantity of fuel consumed per hour into rate of fuel. Okay. So it will give the fuel cost rupees per hour. Now the lubrication cost. So this is the other variable cost. So lubrication cost, you can take 30% of the fuel cost, because lubrication oil is needed when your machine is in running condition. So for running condition, the fuel will be used, and also the lubrication oil will be used. And you can take the lubrication oil cost as 30% of the fuel cost. Okay. Now the other variable cost is operator cost. Okay. So operator cost, how many persons are engaged in operation, and what are the wages of that per person. Okay. And since that operator will work only for 8 hours, not for 24 hours, so you have to divide this multiplication by 8. Okay. So this is the equation: operator cost rupees per hour, number of person engaged into wages per day divided by 8. Okay. Now other variable cost is repair and maintenance cost. So this repair and maintenance cost, it is taken as 10% of the initial cost of the machine per year. Because if your machine is running, then some repairing work should be there. Also, the maintenance cost will be there. Okay, so this is taken as 10% of the initial cost of the machine per year. Okay, so you can calculate here: repair and maintenance is equal to 10 into C divided by 100 into H, where C is the initial cost or capital cost, you can say, and H is the number of working hour in a year. In 1 year, how many hours your machine is running. So in this way, you can calculate the repair and maintenance cost. So here in the operating cost or variable cost, you have calculated the total fuel cost, lubrication cost, operator cost, and repair and maintenance cost. Now you add all these things, like repair and maintenance cost plus operator cost plus lubrication oil cost plus fuel cost. It will give the total operating cost. Okay. So in this way, you can calculate the operating cost. And finally, the total cost of operation, you can calculate here: fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay. So this will give you the rupees per hour total cost. Okay. Now, on the basis of this fixed cost and variable cost, we will solve one problem here. So you should remember this formula. Just for example, first is depreciation. How you can calculate the depreciation: P minus S into L into H. T is the depreciation cost, rupees per hour. C is the capital value in rupees. S is the salvage value. It is taken as 10% of the capital investment. In problem, this S will not given. Okay, so you have to assume this S. L is the life of the machine or life of the tractor in year, 10 years, 20 years. Okay. H is the number of working hour per year. Okay. So this will give the depreciation cost in rupees per hour. Similarly, second is the interest on investment. So this formula you can use: C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H into 100. So C is the initial investment, or you can say the capital value in rupees. S is the salvage value. I is the rate of interest, and this is taken as in percentage. So H is the number of working hours per year. Okay, and third fixed cost is TIH, tax, insurance, and housing. So here you can calculate 3C by 100 into H. Why 3 is there? Because you are calculating 3 items here. So that's why 3 is put here. Okay, so 3C by 100 into H, where C is the capital value in the rupees and H is the number of working hours per year. Okay, and you add A plus B plus C, all these things. You will get the total fixed cost. Now, similarly, for operating cost, you can calculate by this equation. First, you have to calculate fuel cost, after duplication cost, operator cost, and repair and maintenance cost, and add all for this operating cost variable. And in the last, total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So, on the basis of this formula, there is a one question. The question is, find the cost of using a tractor per hour. Okay, what will be the cost of the tractor per hour? You have to calculate. And what is the data given? When the cost of so you have to calculate the cost of a tractor per hour when the cost of 35 HP tractor is rupees 3 lakh. Okay. Life of tractor is given, that is 10 years. Rate of interest is given 10%, and working hour per year is given 1000 years, 1000 hours. You have to assume the quantity of fuel consumed per hour 6 liter, rate of fuel rupees 60, and number of person engaged here 1, and wages of that person per day is rupees 800 for 8 hours. Okay. So here you have to calculate the cost of the tractor per hour. In 1 hour, what will be the cost of the tractor? Data are given are the C means initial investment or capital investment. It is given 3 lakhs. Life of tractor, that is L. L is given 10 years. Rate of interest, that is the I, is given 10%. And working hour per year, that is given capital H, is 1000 hours. So let us see how you can calculate this one. So first you have to calculate the fixed cost. After that you have to calculate the variable cost, and in the last you have to add this total fixed cost and total variable cost. It will give the total cost of the tractor per hour. Okay, so let us calculate this equation. So first you have to calculate the fixed cost. Okay, so under this the parameters are depreciation, interest on investment, and taxes, insurance, and housing. So how you can calculate the depreciation of this tractor? So equation is this one: D is equal to C minus L. It is C minus S divided by L into H. Here C is the capital investment, that is the 3 lakh. Okay, in the question it is given, it is 3 lakh. And S is the salvage value. So how you can calculate S here? So S is 10% of the initial investment, means 10%, 10 into 3 lakh, 10 into 3 lakh, C divided by percentage है, so 100. So how much? These two will be 1 to 10 and 10. So this is this one. Is 30,000. Okay, 30,000 is the salvage value. Okay, so here salvage value is 30,000. ठीक है. Now under this L is the life of the machine, life of the tractor. Here in the question it is given life of the tractor is 10 years. Okay, and H is the number of working hour per year. So number of working hour in the question it is given 1000 years. Okay, so put all this value into this equation, you will get the depreciation per hour. So here it is coming after calculation you will get 27. So rupees 27 rupees per hour. This is the depreciation. Okay, means in 1 hour the value of this tractor will decrease by 27 rupees. Okay. Now the second fixed cost is interest on investment. Okay. So there is formula to calculate I is equal to C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H into 100. So put all the formula, you know all the value. C. C value you know 3 lakh. Okay. Here S is the salvage value. You have calculated here S. Okay. So it comes the 30,000. Okay. So put the value of S here, 30,000 here. Okay. Divided by 2. Okay. Into I. I is the rate of interest. That is the 10%. Okay. In the equation, in the question you can see this is the 10%. Rate of interest is 10%. Okay. So here we have taken I is equal to 10 divided by H. H is the number of working hour per year. So in the question it is given 1000 hours. Okay, into 100. So after calculation you will get 16.5. So this interest on investment is 16.5 rupees per hour. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate the other fixed cost, that is the taxes, insurance and housing. How you can calculate? So this is the formula TINH is equal to 3C divided by 100 into H. So put all the value, you know all the value. C is the capital value. So C is 3 lakh, means initial investment is 3 lakh. So 3 into 3 lakh divided by 100. Okay, and H is the number of working hour, that is the 1000. So after calculation of this equation, you will get the 9. Means taxes, insurance and housing, this will cost 9 rupees. Okay. So in this way you can calculate the fixed cost. Okay. And after calculation, you add all these three costs. D 27 plus I 16.5 plus taxes, insurance and housing. This is 9 rupees. So 9. So after calculation, you will get rupees. Okay. So after adding all these three, depreciation plus interest on investment and taxes, insurance and housing, you will get the total fixed cost per hour. That is the 52 rupees 50 paise per hour. Okay. Now similarly, you can calculate the other parameter, that is the variable cost. Okay, so under the variable cost, first parameter is the fuel cost. How you can calculate the cost of the fuel? This is the this this cost will occur when your machine is in operation only. Okay, so you can calculate fixed cost, fuel cost, how much fuel is consumed by your tractor. So quantity of fuel consumed per hour, and if you multiply this quantity by rate of fuel, it will give the total cost of the fuel. Okay, so quantity of fuel consumed per hour, it is given in the question, I think. Yes, quantity of fuel consumed per hour, it is given 6 liter. 6 liter fuel is consuming in 1 hour by this tractor. So here quantity of fuel consumed per hour is 6, and rate of fuel is 60 rupees per liter. Okay, it is assumed if the rate of fuel is more, nowadays it is 80 rupees, so you have to put here 80 rupees. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the fuel cost. F is equal to 6 into 60, 360 rupees per hour. So in 1 hour, how much the cost of the fuel consumed? 360 rupees. Similar, after this calculating the fuel cost, you have to calculate the lubrication oil cost, because lubrication oil is necessary for a smooth operation of the tractor for its for whole life. Okay, so in the last slide we have seen the lubrication oil cost is taken as the 30% of the fuel cost. So fuel cost is 360 rupees. So 360 of 30%. So here you will get the 108 rupees in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, lubrication oil cost is 108 rupees. Now after this, you have to calculate the operator cost. Okay, so some operator is they should be there, maybe the driver or maybe some worker who is working in the field. So in the question there is only one operator, number of person engaged in only one. I think it is only driver is there. So number of person engaged one, and what is the wage of this person? 800 rupees per day. Okay, so here operator cost, number of person engaged, how many person are engaged? One person are engaged, and what is the wages of that person per day? That is the 800. Okay, and you have to divide by 8, because in one day only 8 hours this the person will be work. Okay, so after calculation you will get rupees 100 per hour. This is the operator cost. Now in the last, that is the repair and maintenance cost. So how you can calculate this repair and maintenance? This is the 10% of the initial investment. So 10%, 10 into C divided by 100 into H. This is the formula to calculate the R and M. So 10 C is the 3 lakh and H is the 1000 number of working hours, 1000 hours per year. Okay. So just put all the value in this equation, you will get the answer. So after calculation, the 30 rupees per hour is free. So this, after this you have to add the fuel cost, that is the 360, plus lubrication cost, that is the 108, plus the operator cost, that is the 100, plus the repair and maintenance cost, that is the 30, and it will give 598 rupees per hour. Okay, so here we have calculated the total fixed cost as well as total variable cost, and after this you have to calculate the total cost of the tractor by adding the fixed cost plus variable cost. So fixed cost is was coming 52.5, and variable cost is 598. Okay. So the answer is 650 rupees 50 paise per hour. In 1 hour you have to charge say 650 rupees 50 paise if anybody is hiring your tractor for plowing or for any other work. Okay, so you have to charge this much amount for 1 hour. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the cost of the tractor. So the total cost of the 35 HP tractor is 650 rupees per hour. So this is the way how you can calculate the cost of a tractor. So here you have seen here is no any implement is there. Only tractor is there, and you have to calculate the cost of the tractor only. Suppose if any other implement is there, that like MB plow or any other plow is there. Okay. So in that case, you have to calculate the cost of tractor as well as you have to calculate the total cost of the implement also. So in case when you are calculating the uh, total cost of implement, then in that condition you have to calculate the fixed cost like depreciation will be there, interest on investment will be there, taxes, insurance and housing will be there, and in the variable cost, the fuel cost, the fuel will not be there. Okay, because if fuel is needed only in the tractor, not in the implement. So fuel cost will not be there. Uh, so this is the other question you have to solve. The question is the initial cost of 35 HP Massey Ferguson tractor owned by a farmer is rupees 4 lakh. The tractor is expected to work for 10 years. Okay. Means the capital C is given for the tractor only 4 lakh, and life of the tractor is given N is equal to 10 years. In a year, the farmer used the tractor for 1000 hours. एक साल में in 1 year how many hours he is using? 1000 hours. Means capital H is 1000 hours. The farmer also owns a 11 times cultivator. Also, the farmer has the cultivator. Okay. The times are spaced at 20 centimeter apart. The cost of the cultivator is 12,000. Means capital C for the cultivator is 12,000 rupees. The tractor consumes 6 liters of diesel while plowing with the cultivator. Okay, so fuel consumed is 6 liters. The life of the cultivator is 10 years. Okay, means L for cultivator is 10 years. The farmer used the cultivator for 400 hours in a year. Means capital H number of working hour per hour for the cultivator is 400. So you have to calculate the cost of operation per hour for tractor as well as for the implement. Assume all other necessary data. Rate of interest you have to assume 10%. Okay. So here you have to calculate. You have to calculate total cost of the operation for the tractor and implement separately. So first you have to calculate for the tractor. Okay. So for the tractor, first you calculate the fixed cost, and after that you have to calculate the variable cost. Okay. So under the fixed cost, you have to calculate depreciation. So formula is there, C minus S divided by L into H. C is 4 lakh, S is so how much you can take S? 10% of C. So 10% of 4 lakh, it will give the 40,000. Okay. So S is 40,000 divided by life of L. Life of tractor is 10 years, and number of working hours in a year is 1000. This all value is given in the question. So just put all the value in this equation you will get. Okay, after calculation the answer is coming 36 rupees per hour. Okay, so this is the depreciation. Similarly, you can calculate the interest on investment. So here the formula is put the value of all these. C, 4 lakhs. S, 40,000. I, 10% in the question it is given. And H is number of working hour, that is the 1000. So put all the value of data here, you will get the 22 rupees per hour. This is the interest on investment. Okay. Similarly, the third fixed cost is taxes, insurance, and housing. So you can calculate by this formula 3C divided by 100 into H. Okay. So the value of C is 4 lakh and H is the number of working hour, that is the 1000. So after calculation you will get rupees 12 per hour. After calculating all these things, you have to add all depreciation, interest on investment, and taxes, and you will get total fixed cost per hour. That is coming 70 rupees. Okay. Similarly, for the tractor, you have to calculate the variable cost. So under the variable cost, first is the fuel cost. How much fuel is consumed and what is the rate of fuel? Multiply these two terms. So in the question it is given that the tractor is consuming 6 liter of fuel. Okay, so here 6, and what is the rate of the fuel? That is the 60. So 6 into 60, 360 rupees per hour. And the lubrication oil cost. This is taken as 30% of this uh, fuel cost. So 360 into 30 divided by 100, it will give 108 rupees per hour. Okay. After that, you have to calculate operator cost. So number of person engaged into wages per day by 8. How many person are engaged here? Only one person are engaged here. So 1 into what is the rate, what is the wage per day of that person? That is the 800. So calculate and it will give you the 100 rupees per hour. Okay. And in the last, repair and maintenance cost. So this repair and maintenance cost for tractor, it is taken as 10% of initial investment. Okay, so 10%, 10 into C, initial investment C. So 4 lakh into H. H is the number of working hours. So it is coming 40 rupees per hour. Now add fuel cost, lubrication oil cost, operator cost, and repair and maintenance cost. It will give the total variable cost 360 plus 108 plus 100 plus 40. It will give the rupees 608 per hour. Okay. And after calculating this variable cost, you have to add the fixed cost and variable cost. That is the 70 plus 608, 678. Rupees 678 per hour is the total cost of tractor only, not implement. Till now you have calculated the total cost of tractor. Now similarly we will calculate all these uh, calculation for implement also. Okay. So for the implement, depreciation C minus H divided by L into H. C is the capital value, initial investment, that is the 12,000. H is the salvage value. So 10% of 12,000, it will give 1200 divided by life of that implement, that is given 10 years, and number of working hour, that is a 400 hours. Okay. So after calculation it is coming 2 rupees 70 paise per hour. This is the depreciation. Okay. Whether your implement is using or not using, this cost will always occur. Hmm. So similarly, the second is cost, interest on investment. So you can calculate interest on investment by using this formula C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H into 100. So C is the capital value 12,000, S is salvage value 1200, I is interest, that is the 10%, H is number of working hour, that is the 400. So after calculation you will get rupees 1 rupee 65 paise per hour. Okay, and in the last, the fixed cost is taxes, insurance, and housing. It will give the 3 into 12,000. By this equation, you can calculate 3 into C is the 12,000 into 1 divided by 100 into number of working hours, 400, and it is coming 0.90 rupees per hour. Okay. Now add depreciation plus interest plus taxes, insurance, and housing. It will give the fixed cost per hour. That is a 2.7 plus 1.65 plus 0.9 rupees 5.25. Okay. So uh, this 5 point, rupees 5.25 per hour will always occur whether this implement is using or not. Okay, this cost will always occur. Now, similar after this, you have to calculate the variable cost also. So, under the variable cost, the first parameter is the fuel, but implement doesn't require any fuel. Also, lubrication cost, it is not required lubrication because lubrication is needed in engine. So, lubrication on so fuel cost, you have not to calculate. The lubrication cost, you have to not to calculate. And the fourth parameter is mm, operator cost. Operator cost, that is the same for that tractor because implement always attached with the tractor. So no separate operator is required. Okay. So no any operator is required. So operator cost will be zero. But yes, repair and maintenance cost will be there because when the your implement is using in the field, then some wear and tear may be there. So you have to repair that machine time to time. Also, you have to maintain that machine. So you have to calculate the repair and maintenance cost. So by using this equation, 10 into C, 100 into H. Okay. So 10 into C, C is the capital value, 2000 12,000, and H is the number of working hours per year. So 400. After calculation, you will get rupees 3 per hour. Okay. So on the variable cost, you have to calculate the repair and maintenance cost. So it is coming rupees 3 hours. Now you have to add the fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost is 5.25 plus variable cost is 3. So it is coming rupees 8.25 per hour. So this is the total cost of implement. Okay. Now here you have calculated the total cost of the tractor as well as the total cost of the implement. Now cost of operation per hour for tractor and implement. Here you have to add all two. For the tractor it is coming 678 rupees, and for implement it is coming 8.25 rupees. So this is the 686.25 rupees per hour. So this is the total cost of operation of tractor and implement. So in this way you can calculate the cost of tractor or cost of implement. Okay. Now this is for assignment. You have to solve this equation. This is similar to the first equation. Okay, determine the cost of operation per hour of 30 bhp tractor. The data is given initial cost. Initial cost means that is the C. 1 minute. That is the C. Life. Life is given. That is the L. Working hour. That is the H. This is the indication. This is notation which are used in the equation. So rate of interest. This is the a small line. The small line. Sorry. Okay. So here you have to calculate it is the total cost operation. So for the total cost operation, first you have to calculate what? Fixed cost. So under the fixed cost, you can calculate the depreciation. Depreciation. Okay, likewise, you can first you have to depreciation. You have to calculate. After that, you have to interest on investment, and after that, insurance and housing, etc. You have to calculate, and in this way, you add all these things. You will get the total fixed cost, and after that, you have to calculate the variable cost, total variable cost. Okay, and when you add the variable cost and fixed cost, it will give the total cost of operation per hour of 30 bhp tractor. Okay, so this this is the similar to the question number 1, which I have discussed in the last slide. Okay, so this is the answer. The total cost of tractor is 678 rupees per hour. So first you have to go through the all the formula, and after that you solve this equation. This is not too much tough. Okay. So today we have seen how the cost of a tractor is estimated per hour. Okay, and when you estimate the cost of tractor per hour, then you can give uh, this tractor or this implement to other person, and you can fix up the higher charges, and you can earn the money. Okay, so this is all about the today's lecture. In the next lecture we will discuss about the planter. Okay, one of the sitting equipment, planter.